It gets updated yearly.
And then you keep a list of 5 individual
individual people that I can't stand. Yeah.
That's
yeah.
the best thing
They're celebrities. They're celebrities. They are celebrities.
Oh, right. I thought
right?
you just meant like.
I should do people I know. That'd be brilliant. I'll do that.
Oh, you bet.
If it's serious, then I'll go Goodfellas. If I'm feeling silly, it'll be Airplane. I wish I could write a love song by Chaz and Dave. My mum's lasagna. A policeman first, and then a footballer for Man United second after that, as I got a bit older. Always tea, never coffee, can't stand the stuff, or the people who drink it. I was going to say flying. Yeah, flying, I think. I don't know why that would be useful, but it'll have to be. I was going to say healing people, but no, I'd rather fly. Night in. Night in, yeah. A night out once every so often's fine, but not too often. No, definitely animals. Yeah, I don't like listening to enough people in English, let alone every language, so at least I can rule out several billion people. So no, I'll speak to the animals, thanks. Dogs. I've got 5. My granddad, Billy Connolly, Frank Sinatra, and probably my Uncle Dave. Awful, sad, horrible. So is Star Trek. 17. Passing your driving test. Nothing, no better feeling than that. The world is your oyster. I'm part of a cheese club, so I'm going to have to say cheese. I really don't like people who go out for coffee. It's one of my biggest bugbears. I've recently released this, and I keep the top 5 of people I most dislike.